Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on the camper, and we have a couple of tasks that we want to get accomplished today. There is a metal pan basically that holds everything together underneath the frame of the camper. It has some holes in it that we need to patch throughout, so we have some metal. We have a riveting gun that we just purchased. We'll have to use that for multiple things throughout this camper renovation, and we don't know how to use it, so we're going to try to figure that one out. And then we have a dent kit that we ordered, and we have some dents on the exterior of the camper that we want to try to pull out as well. So I think with that, we'll have a full day of tasks. So I think Wade's gonna start getting some of the stuff figured out on the inside.
I've got some aluminum metal and I'm just cutting squares out, but I'm gonna spray this can of glue, and I'm going to stick this sheet over the hole, and I'm going to do that for all of the holes in here, and then I'm going to wait long enough for it to dry, and then take my drill and drill some holes like in the corners and then in the centers, and then get under the camper and use my rivet gun and put rivets through there. I've got bricks sitting on a couple of spots that I'm waiting to really get sealed. I figured that it would be a great time while the bricks are sitting on it and putting pressure on those pieces of aluminum that I could just go ahead and drill my holes. So I'm done drilling all the holes, and now I'm fixing to use this rivet gun, rivet tool, and here's my pack of rivets here. Got to read how to make this thing work. I think it should be pretty easy. Well, I think I've got it in there right. I had to change this from this one, so I've got two different sizes, or four different sizes. I think just two different sizes I can use with this. So, but I'm thinking all you do is push it in there, and then when I stick that in the hole, I push this together, and then it does what it's supposed to do. So I'm fixing to get up under that area right there somehow and pray that it works. Well, I think I may have some good news. Now that I realize how this thing works, I don't think I have to climb under there to do this. I can just, I can do it from inside, because I didn't know it had like a clean break. Unless I did something wrong, but now I'm fixing to try from the inside. If it does what it's supposed to do, or what it just did to me, then it's gonna be freaking amazing. Attempt number 2. Push that in there like that. Over the hole. Perfect. This is awesome. Alright, well that was a lot easier than I thought. I've got a few more spots to do, and then I'm basically done. And then Samantha and I'll try to figure out how to do that little dent puller thing. But wow, I'm just amazed at how easy, once I figured out that rivet gun, how my plans have changed to a very more basic and easier way to do this. So I'm happy, and I'm fixing to finish it up, and then we'll see how to work that dent puller. Nope. You have to do this, drill a hole, take the rivet, put it in the rivet gun, put it in there, snap it. Take it, drill another hole, and then
just do it. What? How many times?
you'll do it here, here, and here.
Okay.
Take the long end and stick it down in the hole.
This.
And then you stick that in the hole, and then you clamp it until it breaks.
Until something breaks?
Yeah.
How will I know it breaks?
You know. Alright, now clamp it again. Alrighty, Samantha took over the riveting job from me, as I knew she would.
Yeah.
I knew she'd get a kick out of that, and I knew she'd like it. But that gave me time to kind of figure some other things out. One, we're not going to have enough of the aluminum to do what all we want to do today. So I'll have to buy some more tomorrow, and we can try to finish up in the next few days. But I will show you, other than what we're going to do around the frame, the bottom of the camper, the way we're going to organize some stuff once we start rebuilding. We'll have to cover up some holes for like the vents and stuff on the top. So let me just turn the camera around and show y'all what we're going to do. Alright, so that spot there, these two spots we're not going to need. So I actually have a big piece of aluminum. I've got something over there, so we'll just put that aluminum piece over those two holes and get those secured. I think I've got long enough rivets for that. And then this one will have to be covered up. And then this fan, we're not going to put the stove on this side, so we don't need this. So we're going to take this out and cover that up as well. But I have found me a riveting expert right over there.
Yeah. I can take them out, and I can also put them in.
She'll be a...
Yeah, so we're going to have to do the walls eventually. So, at least I know that I can do it.
That's
I
right.
thought it was going to be harder. It's way easier to put them in than it is to take them out, so... Did it backwards.
That is true. Well, the stuff that we have already put down and patched up, I'm going to go over with some silicone. I don't have any clear silicone. I've got some white, but it doesn't really matter because it's not going to be visible. So that's what I'm going to be doing to kind of waste some time while Samantha continues on etching holes. Oh, I guess I need to cut the nozzle off first, don't I? That would be smart. And punch the hole. All right. And I'm off. All right. I don't care how thick it is or how it looks.
Yeah, just so it does the job.
I don't really know because
You're open there.
we'll make it fit.
Yeah, we don't have to keep it. We can send it back.
No, I think it's gonna work perfect. How far does this spread? Yeah, I think it's gonna work because this will go right there. That's perfect. This will go there. I'll just have to get some long bolts, but it'll work perfect.
Good.
So yay.
Yay. I just read the Amazon reviews. I didn't look at the size. I mentioned, I think 2 vlogs ago when I did the unboxing, that I had no idea that they come in different sizes, so I guess go me.
You lucked up on that
I
one.
did. Now the other one though.
Yeah, are we just gonna do like a skylight there, or?
Yeah, the other one's a Skylight. Did you look at it? Yeah, you should look at it.
Oh,
I'm
okay.
not 100% sure we're going to keep it though.
Okay.
Oh, would it go that way?
No, it goes the other way, but I can't measure it yet. Turning it this way like that.
No. I meant the side. I thought it went side to side. The other
Oh.
Yeah.
We can make it work.
I don't have to make it work.
No, I mean, it could easily work. I'll just have to move these this way, and then we'll cut and put this right there.
It has a year warranty if it doesn't work.
No, I think it's
It
fine.
looks like it's simple.
Yeah.
It was either around $100 for a skylight that you can't open, or thousands of dollars for a really nice skylight that you can open.
Smart choice.
Thank you.
Yeah, we can bloop, plop it up right there.
Wow, okay. That'll be soon.
That'd be very soon.
Yeah.
Next few weeks, probably.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's perfect.
Yeah, I think that was pretty nice. But it'll let a lot of light in. Like, it's so dark in here.
Yeah. So it's been a few days since we've worked on the camper. I've got some more metal, got a couple holes to patch up, so we're about to get to work.
So the other day when we started this project, we thought we needed glue to put the metal down, and we actually didn't once we figured out the riveting gun. So just wanted to mention, I don't know if we ever did, we don't need the glue. The glue was scrapped a long time ago, so it's a lot easier without it.
This exhaust fan, we're not gonna need once we redo this camper. So I'm going to see how easy it would be to take this out. The problem is if I take it completely out, it's gonna leave a hole. So I'm just gonna take the motor out and cut this back as far as I can behind this wall, and then we will make sure that the outside vent cover is secured. So it looked like there's a vent there, but there's not gonna be a vent because we don't need it here any longer.
And it only looked like it on the outside.
On the
Not
outside,
on the inside,
yeah. Oh, it's just on the outside. So here's my stab at taking this apart. Man, them birds are yakking today.
Well, that's about all that did.
Yeah. Well, gets it started. Tell you what, check this out. These some like aviation snips.
It's like when we first started working on the camper, we just started
Tearing stuff
up. Ripping it out. Sounds like you're messing with the outside. Oh, wow.
Yep. Put those snips down.
Don't hurt yourself. That was so cool though, you're so close. Alright, so now you just gotta
Trim this all back.
trim that all back.
Yep.
The other day we showed you the skylight that we got for over here that'll go near our bed. Wade wasn't really crazy about the white. It wasn't fully clear. It had like this white frosted look to it. So we actually went to exchange the one that we had, but for some reason their website was away. We ordered it from Amazon, so we were able to return it. So we returned it and it got the same size measurements and everything, but a different company sells it on Amazon. So we ordered this. It's the Icon Skylight, and it's clear. So we're gonna open it up. And also the reviews on this one was went way above and beyond the other one, so kind of exciting. Yeah, it's just clear. It's so weird. I'm still not 100% sure on it. I'm really excited about it. Like, we saw pictures of what people in the reviews left with theirs in their camper already, and it was really cool looking. Like, you can see everything, but nobody can see you, so that's really cool. So yeah, we got that exchanged out. And we did mention that we were going to be pulling dents out in this video. And we never actually read the instructions on the dent kit until the other day. And I realized the one thing missing from the kit is a glue gun. So we don't own one of those, but we have family members that have them. So we're going to have to borrow one and get our hands on one just to use for a couple hours one day. So that'll be for another day and another video. Yeah, I think that's all we've got going on today. We got the hole fixed up over here, and then yeah, we've got all of the holes patched up is what we're gonna get done. And I guess the next time you see us, we'll be working on sealing the top. We'll be putting in the fan and the skylight and getting all that situated. So thank you guys for following along, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.